you believe that when God is trying to tell you something, he's trying to get you to get something? And as we said in that song that Pastor Shannon wrote about how there's no shame and there's no fear because restoration is here, he is trying to get you to a place of restoration where it's bigger, better, and better than where you were. But it's not just for you, it's for all the other people that were around you because he had to call in his friends. So when I'm being blessed, I got to call my friend Pastor Shannon, and we be blessed together. But could God be using me to position me in a place that I can be a blessing to other people? You see, when you have prosperity on your mind and it's only about you, yourself, and I, that's not prosperity, that's greed. Because God gives you wealth, what? To establish what? The kingdom. And what we are gathered here today as leaders is to be able to position ourselves that, one, we have to believe that God has a plan for you and a plan that's going to prosper you because the kingdom needs to be represented in a world where there's an economy. If you don't have access to the economy, you don't have access to the wealth, and you don't have access to the influence. Right? Am I in the book?